Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, Multi-Trade Building Services Renovation Tip of the Week. I'm Jackie Stezik. I'm the Project Manager and Marketing Director for Multi-Trade Building Services. Each week, we bring you tips about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and more. This week, we're going to talk about a 2021 kitchen design trend of clean, lined cabinets. Kitchen designs have changed a lot over the years, but the one thing that consistently remains, especially in recent years, is the kitchen becoming the heart of the home. Kitchens are no longer just for cooking meals. It has become multifunctional and a more open space to accommodate everyone's needs. The global pandemic has reinforced this more than ever as families are working and even educating from home. The kitchen is now on display and needs to be as comfortable as your living room. The projected 2021 kitchen trends take all of this into account. As we are spending more time at home and in the kitchen, the trends need to reflect those needs. In 2021, kitchen cabinets are now taking on a more minimalistic approach. We'll see a seamless look with more flat panel doors, minimal hardware, or even a touch release design. So many of the 2021 trends are moving toward this Scandinavian design of minimalism. It emphasizes simplicity and clean lines and light, bright spaces with lots of space to move around in. Clean lined cabinets are a move toward simplicity and a focus on cabinet details. I've heard this trend called soft modern. If you'd like to learn more about the 2021 kitchen trends, check out my blog. Just go to www.multitradebuildingservices.com/news top 12 design trends for 2021. Thank you so much for joining us today for our Love Your Home Renovation Tip of the Week, where we talked about clean lined kitchen cabinet trends. Be sure to join us next week when we talk about a 2021 bath trend, gold. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next week.